You have to make a thinking decision about what you should do and how you should do it and when you should do it. If your spouse has lost their job unintentionally and has unilaterally taken self-help and stopped paying you, that decision should be based on what type of assets your spouse has and whether or not you think your spouse will get reemployed quickly. Your spouse cannot unilaterally stop paying and have permanent relief. They need to make an application to the court in order to ask for that relief. You have to make a decision whether or not your best bet for enforcing your court order will be fast action or to make a thinking decision to wait a month or two before you file.